PATHAK Industries, one-stop solution for all machinery needs. PATHAK Industries is one of the leading manufacturer, supplier and exporter of modern industrial machinery, from 40 years. Meet our founder and director, Mr. T.L PATHAK. His hard work and consistent effort helped the company to reach new heights today, and director, Mr. HITESH PATHAK, who spread industries all over the world. Our vision is we always like to grow and see our company as a leading and most trusted manufacturer of machine in India. Our mission is providing most durable and advanced products, at economic and competitive prices for industrial growth of our customers. PATHAK Industries is certified by ISO 9001. For meeting the diverse requirements of our esteemed clients, we have advanced infrastructure like manufacturing facility, testing facility, warehouse, packaging, sales and marketing department as well. Here we manufacture a wide range of machinery like lathe machines, drill machines, CNC machines, milling machines, grinding machines, sheet metal machinery, hydraulic machines and various other machines. And also we are authorized distributors of Panasonic welding machines and BDS broach cutting machines. We meet each and every requirement of your by giving modern design, modern technology, robust construction, zero installation cost, low maintenance cost and hassle-free delivery. We distribute a wide range of workshop machines, in more than 14 countries like India, South Africa, UAE, Oman, Qatar, and Nepal. Our sheer dedication and commitment towards achieving full customer satisfaction have earned us a huge base of reputed clients. And for business inquiry, contact us on given address and visit our website, www.pathak.in.